Hello students. Yesterday we read about preposition of position and direction. I hope you understood, and today we will read about prepositions of travel and movement. The examples are on, in, by, up, down. These are the prepositions of travel and movement. On is used to denote traveling by vehicles. For example, he is riding on the bicycle. Two pillions were riding on a scooter. Next preposition in. In is used to denote a volume. For example, we traveled in train. The plane was flying in the clouds. Next preposition is by. By is used for means of transport. That is used to denote the means of transportation. For example, we traveled by a car. My cousin will come by flight. On is used when we are walking on foot, and on is used for small vehicles, and by is used for big vehicles, four-wheeler vehicles. And my cousin will come by flight. We will use we will use by for aeroplanes. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Next preposition is up. Up is used to denote the movement or to a higher position. For example, the mountaineer climbed up the mountains. The professor pushed his glasses up on the bridge of his nose. Next is down. Down preposition is used to denote the lower position. Is used to denote a movement. Is used to denote the movement to a lower position. Okay. For example, he came down the stairs. The tears started streaming down her face. There are some other prepositions are also. First is between. Okay, between is used, as you know, between is used for two people. Okay, that is used with two people, or you can say with two things. Example, the mangoes were divided between the two brothers. The bike was parked between two cars. So it is used for two things, or you can say used for two people. Among word is used for more than two people or thing. Okay, more than two. It is used for more than two people or things. Examples: distribute the candies among the students. Distribute these toffees among the students. Distribute these gifts among the students. Okay, beside word that is used that implies by the side of. Example: the doctor was sitting beside his patient. Okay, by the side of, uske साथ. The doctor was sitting beside his patient. Please keep the chair beside the table. Next preposition is besides. What is the difference between beside and besides? There is a big difference. Besides implies in addition to. But you say that iske alawa. In addition to, iske alawa. Besides the present students, some former students also attended the annual function of the school. Besides being penalized, he was suspended. Okay, I hope you understood all these prepositions and prepositions of travel and movement. And if you have any query, then you can ask on my personal number. Okay students, thank you.